Hey guys, welcome to our channel Explore with My Eyes. So this is one of our biggest journey going to start. We're going to Kerala. We'll be covering Idukki, Munnar, and couple of beaches. We'll go through all the details, and it's a biggest journey with our car. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Hey guys, so it's our day one. We started at 4:19, 4:20. It is. First stop will be Munnar. So yeah, so its arrival is around 2 o'clock. It will take around 9 hours 35 minutes for 81 kilometers. So stay tuned, guys. This is our first stop. We'll be Munnar for a couple of days. We'll show you this is our first hotel, and we're going to change next day. So we'll show you everything, all the details, all our trip journey. Stay tuned, guys. Stay with us. So let's start. Hey guys, it's around 11 o'clock, but we are having breakfast. We just drove around 350 kilometers almost. So still it's showing around 2 o'clock we'll reach. So this is our breakfast, and the view is really awesome. We just stopped somewhere which is surrounded by mountains. Hello guys, we are on the way to Munnar. We'll be staying Munnar for a couple of days, and that will be different hotels so that we can get different views of Munnar. So it's right now 12:50 and it's drizzling a bit. It will take around 1 hour 32 minutes more, which is 56 kilometer. The arrival is 2:22. So guys, you can see the view, the awesome mind-boggling road trip, and the road is really awesome. The view is really mesmerizing. Hey guys, welcome. So it's 1 o'clock and we are just see the awesome view. The road is really awesome and we're just enjoying a lot. We will be reaching Munnar in next 1.5 hours. Just give a stoppage to see this view, this awesome mind-boggling view. You can see there's lots of mountains, and there is a city. It's a small city, I think, but it's look really awesome. Hello guys, on the way to Munnar, and look at this beauty. Tea estate, full of tea estate, the signature beauty of Munnar. Hey guys, it's around 2:40 and we are on the way to Munnar, and this this is so awesome weather and the beauty is so good. The nature is so good. I mean, I just can't explain. So we're just giving a stoppage after some times and just watching this awesome beauty. The nature is so calm. The nature is so good. This is tea garden and this is Munnar and we are just enjoying a lot. What to tell? I mean, this is so awesome. The beauty, it's the nature. It's really awesome. This mind-boggling beauty. Look at this nature, guys. On the way to Munnar again. I'm telling it again and again just because the destination is Munnar. We are at Munnar right now. There's a small waterfall, so we stopped by. We have given the stoppage several times, so just see this beauty. Everywhere is tea garden, the signature beauty of Munnar. Hey guys, it's around 5 o'clock and we are about to reach our first hotel. That's Gokulam Park Resort. That's a 4-star property in Munnar and we are about to reach there. Stay with us. We'll show you how the view from this room, the tariff, and our dinner is also included. So stay tuned guys, stay with us. So we are about to reach our hotel. It's around 500 meters from here. So we'll show you the entry. Hey guys, this is the entry, the Gokulam Park Munnar. This is a small parking lot. We have already booking, so let's see where we can park. Hello. Hi.
Hi, sir.
I have a booking already.
Yes, sir. What is the booking name?
Otonu. It's premium room, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have a small YouTube channel, so we just do the travel video.
Yeah,
So
okay.
no problem, right?
No.
Which floor?
In fourth floor.
Fourth floor. Okay.
This is a
This-
coffee shop.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Okay. Restaurant is here or
Yes, sir. Restaurant is the first floor.
first floor? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, please. And the first floor we have the restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second floor we have the spa and massage.
Okay.
And fifth floor we have a gym.
Okay.
10th floor we have a gaming section.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Hey guys, we are at Gokulam Park, and right now we are at the fourth floor. Our room is a premium room of Gokulam Park. That's 401. We'll go for a room tour now. That's so exciting for me. This is the entry. That's the restroom. I can see it's a pretty neat and clean restroom, but that's a bit of small. Shower area. Luggage, there's a cabinet. That's the bed. Lighting are good, I see. TV units, sitting area, and that's the balcony, and that's the view from the balcony. See that magnificent view of Munnar. It's a mountain view, not that tea garden view. Work desk, and tea is complimentary. Stay tuned guys, we'll go for dinner is included for us, and we'll go for other hotel tour also.